So before you say anything about my outfit, I'm going to a Halloween themed costume party, so please ignore that. But I quickly wanted to recap the overall day just so you guys could see where I'm at. $15,818 on the overall day. TQQQ, I made about $2,800, and then on SQQQ was my biggest winner for the day, and it was $12,211. My LPP team did get to see me trade live and got all of the updates for my SQQQ trade. And again, I trade with them every single day right at market open. If you want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as Monday when the market opens, I'd love to invite you. It's the second link in the description down below. But let's quickly talk about what everyone's talking about. Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500 have a brutal week of earnings. And I read someone's comment and I kind of have to agree with them, right? Everyone continues to talk about like poor tech earnings. Tech earnings have been great, right? If you look at Tesla, if you look at Google, if you look at Meta, Microsoft, and even Amazon, right? All of them beat expectation. There's just a lot of negative market sentiment. That's just the current market sentiment as of right now. And I see this time and time again, right? We've seen times where the market, for whatever reason, just continues to form higher highs and higher lows. It literally struggles to pull back. Now we're kind of on the opposite side of that spectrum where now everything is causing the market to sell off. Even when these big tech companies report better than expected earnings, and maybe their guidance might be a little bit off, but these companies absolutely tank, right? I wanted to show you this and let you kind of decide for yourself. NASDAQ market has dropped more than 10%. This is considered correction territory anytime that there's more of a 10% drop from previous highs. So from 386 to current lows, more than 10%. We're getting really close to this moving average. This is the only thing that I'm kind of concerned about. The only reason I'm concerned is things can definitely get much worse if we break below this moving average. So you guys could see that before in 2022. You guys know that that was a really bearish year, very poor year for the overall market. We formed lower lows and lower highs, and we continued to get rejected by this moving average. It acted as a resistance until we finally broke above in 2023. Now we're getting very close to test it. I'm not saying that it's going to break below. I'm just saying that if it does, it's going to put us right back to square one, where when we break below, it becomes a new resistance, and that means we could potentially sell off for the remainder of the year. Now, I'm hoping that doesn't happen, right? I'd love to see a nice little pullback. Apple is set to report earnings next week. I will be live streaming it, so again, just another reason to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'd love to see a nice little bounce off of this moving average on the day chart, and then see the market begin to recover, right? Let everyone be in fear of the market. Let the market sell off. I just want to see if we hold above this zone. If we don't, and if we break below this moving average on the day chart, then we could potentially actually end up selling off, right, for the remainder of 2023, which just means that we allow the market to sell off. Big tech will become much cheaper, and I can short the market all the way down, making money as the market sells off, right? We all know that there's always money to be made. It doesn't matter if it's bullish. It doesn't matter if it's bearish, just like today, right? I made most of my money off of the market selling off. Made $12,211, and it was because I was able to capture the market selling off and SQQQ runs up when the NASDAQ market sells off. Again, I talk about all of these different things within our live trading session. I just wanted to share my thoughts with you and what I'm doing to prepare, right? Next week is a big focus when it comes down to tech earnings because Apple, who has the largest market cap for any big tech company, is set to report earnings. Apple has already seen a significant drop and is already trading below the moving average, right? We shall see if Apple continues to sell off and it doesn't exceed expectation or its guidance is a little bit off, then can we break below the moving average? I'm not here to pretend like I can predict the future. There's no reason to do that. I'm just saying that if the market does end up selling off and breaking below that moving average on the day chart, I'm going to get ready to short the market very, very heavy, right? I'll keep you guys up to date, and especially if you're part of my LPP team, I'd love for you to be able to get an inside look on all of my entries, all of my exits that lead to a successful or maybe a red trade, right? And that's the beautiful thing about these live trading sessions is that you get to see both sides. I'd love to see you on Monday. Second link in the description down below. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also don't forget to drop a thumbs up. I hope and wish you guys an amazing Halloween weekend. Please be safe. And I do want to let you know, If you are entering our M4 giveaway, you're not going to want to miss out. Click the fourth link in the description down below. It's our M4 giveaway. We have a special 2-day giveaway that's going to be happening starting tomorrow on Saturday, October 28th, and it's going into October 29th, just 2 days. And if you purchase anything, you'll automatically get entered for both giveaways. You're not going to want to miss this one. Again, make sure you check it out. Fourth link in the description down below. Make sure you join our VIP text club for all the updates to not miss out on any of the special promotions. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.